In this video, we're gonna talk about the Doge killer leash scenario. So if you own 1 or 4 or 2 leashes at this price or at a different price, I'm gonna show you exactly what that could be worth when the price goes up. And you know it will. Not financial advice, but you know this is going up. Look at the actually supply. That lets me know it's gonna do it. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Here is the spreadsheet of Leash. Now, I've done this on Shiba, Bone, and now I'm going to do Leash. Now, I've always said it's good to at least have 1 leash. And if you got Leash, just a half of a leash, at today's prices, at the recording of this video, August 14th, 2021, this would it be worth. Let me go back. Look at this. This is what it'd be worth right now. 0.5, which is half of 1 leash. You're only spending basically about $554. That's your value of it. But check this out. All-time high price was that. All-time high price was this price here. And I got it from, right from CoinMarketCap, $8,983. So I just plugged that in, and your $554 investment can turn into $4,491. And that's just half of a leash if you wait till it gets to all-time high prices. Not financial advice, not saying it will, but if it did it once, it can do it again. And then if you wait even farther, and let's say 15,000, I just threw a number in there in terms of a projection based off the research I gather, is that $554 investment, if you're willing to wait and hold and accumulate, well, in this matter, it's not accumulating, it's just holding, $7,500. That's something to think about. Let's go on down the line. Now, if you own 1 leash, you're actually in a good situation, because now that means more money if you decide to wait and you believe that it will hit these type of prices. Now, if you get 1, you basically have about $1,100 value. Okay, it's not bad because all-time high was $8,900. So then that $1,100 all-time high prices, that turns into $8,900. That's a big difference. And then also the projected for you future price, 15 grand. 15 grand. Think about it. If it hits 15 grand, then your value will be 15 grand with 1 leash. And if you're burying it and doing different things with that leash, you'll probably have more rewards coming to you if you're burying on Shibaswap, because you earn Bone as well. Now, with it, you have 1.5 leash is even higher. Look at this here. Now, your value is about $1,600 at today's prices. If you got it today, around that price. But look at this. All-time high price, it hits there. That's $13,000. Look at this. It goes from, hold on. It goes from, let me go back here real quick. I got too excited. Here we go. Let me go back and look at this. $13. Okay, so let me go. So look at this. $1,600 down to $13,000. 1.5 leash. The Doge killer, as they call it. And it gets even better. Let's say, okay, you know what? I'm going to hold a little bit longer. I believe it will hit $10,000 to maybe $15,000 in the future. That $1,600 investment is now $22,500. That's scary. That's crazy. That is ludicrous, but it can happen. But see, if I continue going on down the line, let's say I'm a leash collector. I believe in this asset. It's got a low max supply. It plays a really effective role in the Shibaswap ecosystem. And I'm going to grab myself 2 leashes. And I'm going to hold them on at least until it gets all-time high prices. Now, it'll cost me $2,200 to get 2 at today's prices if I was just getting it. And I'm not saying to get it. I'm just putting you in scenarios. So, those 2 leashes now, with all-time high prices, would be worth $17,000. And I only spend $2,200 on it. That's just crazy. But if I'm saying, you know what, I'm an outlaw, I'm going to hold on for a little bit longer than that, because I'm thinking about getting little Timmy something really good for his show and tell. And so that's going to be $30,000 for 2 leashes. So my goodness, that's saying something. And my last 2 here with 3 and 4 leashes. 3 leash, obviously the more leash you have, the longest you hold, the longest you believe in it, and you go through some stuff to hold on and believe in it, those 3 leashes all-time high could be $26,000, and you only paid $3,000, a little bit over $3,000 just to purchase 3 leashes. So you notice the Y keeps getting bigger and bigger and bigger as much as you have. And then of course, projected future price, and that's just a projected future price, not saying it will hit that future price, $45,000. Oh my goodness. 3,000 to 45,000. Oh my God. Anyway, let's continue with the last one here. The last one here is a big one, 4 leashes. Now I have very blessed to have 4 leashes. I have a little bit more than 4 leashes, and I plan to hold to lease all-time high prices. So if I decide to hold to lease all-time high prices, my value will be $35,000. And so I'm going to be jumping up excited, so excited. Absolutely. But if I decide, or if you have 4 and you decided, not telling you necessarily to do that, but if you decide to do that, if it hits 15,000, maybe 12,000, around that mark, I think it's going to be at least worth over 50,000 or even 60,000 in that matter. So it's all about really understanding the fundamentals and giving yourself scenarios where you can really think about. And I'm saying this, most people probably can possibly get a 0.5 leash if you decide to. I'm not telling you, but if you sit there and say, you know what, my 0.5 leash, I'm gonna pay $500 for it, or 0.3 leash. Think about this. If I did 0.3, if I did 0.3 leash, just a 0.3, guys, 0.3, and I only spend $300 just for a piece of a leash, because you can't do that. If I just said, I'm just gonna wait to all-time high prices, I'm just gonna bury my leash, and I'm just gonna do that, $2,695 just by a 0.3 leash. That's laughable. But anyway, I want you to think about this. Don't think that, oh, I can't really do something, I'm not out of the game. It is possible if you believe in yourself and continue watching videos just like this. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links in the description box if that's going to help you today, because I believe it will. And I'll see you on the next video.